ayoko talagang mag-boyfriend na nasa showbiz kasi ako po personally gusto ko tahimik na buhay, ayoko na magulo. At hindi naman yun mangyayari kapag ang karelasyon ko taga-showbiz, diba? So, saya po ako ngayon, 4 years na kami, at si Daniel is a very nice guy, and I'm sure marami siyang options ngayon na single din katulad niya. Options, many. Yun po.
Congratulations, ha?
Thank you.
Pati si Susan Rosas, tanga sa'yo.
Grabe,
Galit lang
salamat.
sa'yo. Ito sandali si...
MJ, we have a follow-up question then from Tita Astor.
Kay Daniel muna. Daniel, I have 2 or 3 questions sa'yo. Daniel, ano ang unang naging reaction mo when finally mag-asawa ang ex-girlfriend mo si Heart? Pangalawa, are you now a Filipino citizen? Pangatlo, are you bringing in to the Philippines your parents? So, kasi yun ang mga nababalitaan lang kasi namin.
Yes po. Well, syempre masaya ko po kay Heart, diba? Kasi we were together for mga almost 2 years po. And well, kilala ko siya, diba? And I know everything that she passed through in her life. And alam ko masaya siya ngayon. And I'm very happy for her. I'm very happy for Cheese also. I met Cheese already. And I really wish them all the best, you know, because if they put God in front of everything, everything will be perfect po. So, tungkol sa second question niyo po, ako, I'm a Filipino resident now po. Hindi pa Filipino citizen because matagal yung process. Pero sana soon I'll do that too. And yun, my plan po was always to bring my family here talaga. And sana baka soon after my father retires sa Brazil, I'll be able to bring them all here po. Kasi nandito yung kapatid ko na may asawa siya dito sa Pilipinas. Filipino siya. So we have a Filipino family. So sana soon my whole family will be here also to live and to share with us everything that the Filipino people shared with us. So I live here now and masaya ako dito po.
How much % of you is like a Filipino?
100,000 po.
Okay. Thank you.